Hey there. This is the unboxing. I'm really excited. I just got the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip from the insiders. I'm going to be testing it, and this is the unboxing of the phone itself. I'm currently recording this on a Google Pixel Fold, and I do love a folding form factor, but I have not yet tried a of this flip form factor. So, I get way in there. Wow, it's tiny. So this is the Galaxy Z Flip. I'm gonna move that out of the side of the way. And then it looks like it's a quick tab here. Quick tab there. Let's get this out of the frame. Very excited here. And then, ooh. So I chose the Samsung exclusive online black version of the phone. And I'm gonna pull this out. And this is the phone. So I'm gonna take that out. Ooh. And that's the front screen and then the main screen. I'm just gonna try out the, ooh, that feels really good in the hand. Really nice form factor. And ooh, a very nice hinge mechanism. So I'm going to power this up and turn this on, but in the meantime, that is the boxing experience. Oh, and here's I see. Here's the SIM stuff, and I'm glad I found that afterward, and I didn't have to belabor like, hey, I'm going to look at all this stuff before I look at the phone, because there's that amazing phone. So there you go. Really looking forward to digging into this.